Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at something that might seem small, but can make a huge difference in your listening experience: replacement Earpads. Specifically, the Williams Sound HED 023-100 Earpads designed for the HED 021 folding headphone and the HED 026 deluxe rearwear headphone. Now, if you're using either of these headphones regularly, especially in a professional setting like a school or assistive listening environment, you know how important comfortable and hygienic Earpads are. Right out of the package, you get a whopping 100 Earpads. That's a serious value, especially for institutions or individuals who go through Earpads quickly. Think about classrooms, language labs, or even just personal use with multiple family members. This bulk pack ensures you're covered for a long time, minimizing downtime and keeping those headphones in action. These Earpads are listed as being made of both faux leather and leather. The combination likely means a soft, pliable feel against the skin while maintaining durability. Comfort is key, especially for extended wear, and the material choice here seems aimed at just that. Plus, the black color keeps things professional and discreet. One of the biggest advantages of having fresh Earpads is hygiene. These headphones are often shared, and swapping out the Earpads regularly is a simple yet effective way to maintain cleanliness. With a pack this size, you can easily establish a routine of frequent replacements, ensuring a sanitary listening experience for everyone. Now, let's talk about compatibility. These are specifically designed for the Williams Sound HED 021 and HED 026 headphones. It's always crucial to double-check your headphone model before ordering replacements to ensure a perfect fit. While these might look similar to other Earpads, subtle differences in size or attachment mechanisms can mean the difference between a snug fit and a frustrating experience. The listed dimensions of the package, 5 by 6 by 5 inches, give you an idea of the overall size. It's a compact package that's easy to store and won't take up much space. This is particularly helpful for organizations that need to keep a supply on hand. In terms of practical use, replacing these Earpads should be a straightforward process. While the exact method might vary slightly depending on the headphone model, it typically involves gently pulling off the old Earpads and snapping the new ones into place. This ease of replacement further contributes to the convenience of this bulk pack. Overall, the Williams Sound HED 023-100 replacement Earpads offer a practical and cost-effective solution for maintaining hygiene and comfort with compatible Williams Sound headphones. The large quantity ensures long-lasting use, making it an excellent choice for both individual and institutional applications. If you're looking to refresh your listening experience and prioritize hygiene, these Earpads are definitely worth considering. Just make sure they're the right fit for your specific headphone model. And that's it for this look at the Williams Sound HED 023-100 replacement Earpads. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.